Drill organizer rack with an AC extension for your drills, power packs, and more. Showing you what you get inside the box. You get a template that you're going to hang up on the wall and your instruction guide. From Luffioner, you got your extension, AC outlet, all your plugs, 8 of them that you're going to screw down soon, a drill bit holder and screws and more, square holes as well as round holes. Your side rack, main rack for your drills, your side shelving that you're going to put things on, hardware anchor screws, bolts, everything you need in the kit, your top shelf, and your rack system. We're going to be assembling. Take a bolt, a rack, and you're going to start to lock this down now. We have the mesh. You're going to go into the farthest outer hole and lock down. You have an angle up a little, and you're going to place these on as well into the center. Place on your screw to the most far outer hole and lock down. And then you're going to put on the other cover on the opposite side. Decide which side you want to place on your items by placing into the square areas and locking down. Opposite side, in the slotted holes, place on your brackets. Our drill and battery, this area to this area, simply take your battery, slide it on, and it holds into place. And it holds different types of batteries in the back as well. Your drill to the side can rest into the area, as well as on the bottom over here. We're going to hang this up, put a couple of drill tools, batteries on, and get an idea what it looks like. We have a screw already in place. Great for the office, business, work area, garage, with keyholes that you simply place on the wall, and then you line up or use the template and drill your holes to place in. So what we're going to do now is going to lock this down. Finish it off, and we have our unit hung up. I have my drill. I place it in, put my tools on, my battery, plug it into the top, and my spare batteries I simply place on. We turn the unit on. We're charging our battery. Next one's ready to get charged. We can swap out. And when I need to have a drill, I have it here. I could place it on the side as well, additional spots. I could put hammers, washers, screwdrivers, drill bits, you name it, into the tool organizer. So my hammer, my rope, my drills, and my chargers, and anything else, drill bits, screwdrivers, when I need to grab one and use it, that will fit into the area. This is a nice tool organizer. Comes in a number of colors. Check online for further details about your product. Very easy to assemble, install, great for your workshop, and more. Enjoy your tool organizer. Enjoy the product.